All right, let's get right to it. If you're watching this, it means one thing, and it's a big one. You've officially hit Stage 8.0, ready for settlement.
You know, this update comes from every single one of us here at Finance Hub at Networks, and I have to say, the whole team is buzzing for you. This is fantastic news.
Okay, first things first, and this is the most important part. Congratulations. Seriously, take a moment and let that sink in. All that paperwork, the back and forth, all the waiting, it has all paid off. You are on the home stretch now, and that is a huge deal.
So, you're probably thinking, awesome, Stage 8.0. So, what actually happens now? And that is the perfect question. It's exactly why we put this little guide together, to give you a crystal clear picture of these final steps.
So, what does ready for settlement really mean? Well, it's the big one. It means the lender is happy. All the final documents are issued, and your application is fully 100% approved. It's kind of like the bank is given the final official thumbs up. The heavy lifting you had to do, it's over. And you know what? Here's the best part. From here on out, your direct involvement basically drops to almost zero. Yep, you can finally take that deep breath. We've got it from here, and now it's all about coordinating things behind the scenes.
So right now, it's a bit of a waiting game, but it's an active one on our end. We're now wrangling all the other key players, the solicitors, the other banks, to get everyone's calendars lined up and lock in that final settlement date for you.
Now this is where the road forks a little bit, depending on whether you're buying a place or refinancing. If you're purchasing, we're in touch with the seller's legal crew. If you're refinancing, we're getting your old and new banks to talk to each other. So let's look at the specific checklist for each path.
All right, first up, for everyone who is purchasing a property, this next bit is your game plan. Okay, I want to be super clear about this. Your number one, top of the list, absolute priority is this: preparing your final funds. Everything else can wait.
Okay, so here's your checklist. Let's laser focus on those two high priority items because honestly, they're non-negotiable. First, those shortfall funds, make sure they are sitting in your nominated bank account right now. Not tomorrow, now. Any delay here could push back the whole settlement date, and we definitely don't want that. Second, just give your solicitor a quick call. A simple, hey, just checking in, do you have everything you need? Will do the trick. Once you've knocked those two out, then you can think about the final inspection and getting your utilities connected.
Okay, switching gears. For all of you who are refinancing, your checklist looks a little different. It's actually simpler, but it is every bit as important to nail. So, your list is short, but that first item is mission critical. Please, please keep making your normal mortgage payments to your existing bank. Keep paying them right up until we tell you the settlement is officially done. Why? Well, it just keeps everything clean and stops any pesky missed payment alerts from popping up and causing headaches at the finish line. Once you've got that sorted, your only job is to sit tight and wait for our call. We promise, the second we have a date, you'll be the first to know.
Okay, so whether you're purchasing or refinancing, we are officially in the final countdown. Let's wrap up with what to expect in these last few very exciting days.
The big thing to remember now is communication. As soon as that settlement date is locked in, you will hear from us. That's a promise. In the meantime, you'll want to stay in close touch with your solicitor or conveyancer because they're handling all the final legal choreography. But just now, our team is still right here, working in the background to make sure everything goes off without a hitch. We are going to get you over that finish line.
Look, you've done all the hard work to get here. An amazing new chapter is literally right around the corner, whether that's getting the keys to your new home or just having a much smarter financial future. So really, there's only one question left. Are you ready for it? Again, a huge congratulations from every single one of us.